are a couple of tutorials on using the databases I want you to use when you do your research paper. So let me walk you through this. You are going to start here at your Coastal homepage, and you're going to click on your MyCCC portal. It's important that you access your library through the portal. You're going to go ahead and find the library resources button and click into that. So this particular paper, this argument research paper, is your first step, of course, is choosing your topic. In order to do that, I'm going to require you to use either your Issues and Controversies database and or you might use both, your Opposing Viewpoints database. So to get those databases, you come over here to the right and click on Databases A to Z. This will take you to an alphabetical access to all your databases. So we'll start with Issues and Controversies. We'll click on the I. Then we will scroll down until we find the Issues and Controversies database. Click on that. Then you need to have your approved topic list. There are 30 topics. All of those topics are listed under all issues A to Z. In some way, you look on that list. I have them. I've checked them all out myself as I was going through the list. So you will find every one of those issues under your all issues A to Z. So you look and you start looking to see which one of those issues looks interesting to you. This is going to be you spending a little bit of time over the weekend reading about some of the issues that seem interesting to you. So for example, let me go ahead and pull up that list. Let me download it. Approved topics, it's right here. Okay, so if we open our approved topics list and let's come back to our library. So let's just say we're interested in something like artificial intelligence or digital media, cryptocurrencies, something like that. So we're going to come back over to our database, our Issues and Controversies list, and let's say we want to look up digital currency. So we're going to scroll down until we find digital currency. I don't see it here, so maybe it's under cryptocurrency here. So let's scroll down and look under cryptocurrency. There it is. All right, so we're going to click on our cryptocurrency and we're going to read a little bit about it. The thing about Issues and Controversies that's interesting is often a specific question gets posed or an issue gets posed or narrowed down, and the issue gets presented in a pro-con way. So this is really good for students who are not used to writing arguments. And you can see there are several different subtopics under cryptocurrency and Issues and Controversies. So you're going to read through, and this will take you just some time to start reading through and think, what do you want to devote the next 4 or 5 weeks researching? Because this is the topic of your paper. So there's Issues and Controversies, and the other database I want you to look at to get some information is called Opposing Viewpoints. So we're going to go to the O, we're going to click on Opposing Viewpoints, and it'll be a similar kind of setup as Issues and Controversies. We're going to come over here under Browse Issues, and we're going to find, let's look for the same topic, cryptocurrency or digital currency. So if we scroll down here, here's digital currency here. And remember, Issues and Controversies called it cryptocurrency. And if you look back at your approved topic list, I have it listed as both. So you will find every one of these on these two databases in some way. Okay. So if we click on our digital currency, it's going to take us to an overview article. This is really great for getting background information. This is your alternative to using Wikipedia. Okay, I don't want you using Wikipedia. I want you to educate yourself under your by looking at your one of your two databases, or both, preferably both, as you're trying to pick your topic. Okay, so that is your job over the weekend, is to spend a little bit of time going through. Let's go back to our previous page, and let's go back to our browse issues. Now we're under opposing viewpoints. So as you can see, there are quite a few issues here, but you have to pick from my approved topics list. And there are 30 different broad topics. And so there's plenty of choices for everybody. And once you pick this, next week, what we're going to work on is really narrowing this topic, your chosen topic, down to something manageable for a research paper, and also to start thinking about how do we think about it in a pro-con, in an argument, in a persuasive way. Okay, and this is really important, especially coming out of doing our rhetorical analysis. You're going to apply those principles of rhetoric, this idea of ethos, credibility, logos, information, and pathos, emotion, into writing your own argument, because you will be arguing for one side of your issue. All right, so let me go ahead and minimize that and come back to our database. So remember, your goal is to start here at databases. That's going to take you to this A to Z list. You've got two to choose from, or like I said, I'd really like you to try to look at both. You've got your issues and controversies, and you've got your, under O, opposing viewpoints. So once you choose something that you want to write about, your job over the weekend is to complete a little worksheet, which is basically you're going to write a background paragraph on your issue with the MLA citation of where you got that background information. All right?